Hey, what's going on, y'all? We back. This time we are back with another sneaker review. So this time, I noticed you all love my Puma Suede videos that I do. We got another color this time. So this one we have navy. So this unboxing, I'm gonna be honest, I haven't even taken it out of the packing box yet. So I just got it today. Ordered it from Foot Locker a couple days ago. So it only took a couple days. It's priority day shipping. So I'm opening my box right now. And we're gonna see how we looking. So normally the Puma Suede retails for 70 bucks, but I just got these. These were on sale for $49.99. So pretty good deal, especially for like a one of the staple colors. So right now, I'm just opening the box so we can get started and see what we got. All right, now, same box. And these are a 9.5, so they true to size. So this is what looking like. Right shoe, the nice suede, you know, the gold, Puma Suede logo. And then we have the left shoe. Now, you know me, if you've watched my videos, then you know that I don't like keeping the original laces in. I like to put the fat laces in. So got the extra set of laces right here. So we will take these laces out and swap them, and then I'll show you what they look like after the lace swap. So stay tuned.